The name Podolica derives from Podolia, a plateau of Ukraine's border with Moldova, where the last descendants of both primigenous species were located. The bovine Podolico, reared in Apulia at the beginning of the 20th century, was generally indicated with the name Pat, just to draw attention to its territorial characterization. Apulian cattle were also distinguished into two sub-races: Apulo-Lucana, bred on the Gargano, Murgese, bred in the remaining territory of the Murgia. This distinction departed in the post-war period, also owing to drastic reduction in Apulia's livestock, which, from the almost entire region, ended to be limited only in some areas. General characteristics. Coat. The bulls have dark grey coat with blackish shades on the lateral sides of the head, while in the cows it is ordinary grey. Head. Rather light, with straight profile and broad forehead. Horns. Crescent-shaped in male and female lyra. Neck. Short and muscular with abundant dewlap. Withers. Tight, extended towards the back, particularly beefy in the male. Chest. Deep and long, with very arched ribs. Loins. Long, firmly attached and strong. Croup. Pitched and quite muscled. Limbs. Generally long and strong with hoofs developed and resistant. Breasts. Underdeveloped. The Podolica was in the past bred principally as a draught animal. With the mechanization of agriculture following the Second World, was demand for draught oxen disappeared, and the Podolica is now raised for meat and, to a lesser extent, for milk. The number is around 90,000 governments, 25,000 of which enrolled in the stud book. A peculiar characteristic of the bovine is the exceptional power of adaptation to very hostile environments, and the uncanny ability to use food resources that could not be exploited otherwise. The Podolian cow is reared in the wild, and that's possible thanks to its high degree of adaptability. The breed is called maternal, meaning that the cow has a high fertility, intended as the ability to produce functional gametes. The pregnancy lasts 9 months, and calves at their birth weigh about 30-35 kilograms. Somatic development and satisfactory increases in weight put this bovine among the genetic types cattle that highlight a certain aptitude for meat production. For the organoleptic characteristics of the meat, the Podolica earns the mark of 5R, as the other 4 genetic types. The meat is obtained from subjects raised according to the widespread system, free to move on large pascolative surfaces, and it is qualitatively superior to that one provided by calves kept separately stalls. Food upper level involves obtaining a tougher meat, applicant more chew work than average obtained with the integration of amino acids. Typical cheese produced from cow's milk, seasonally local, breed reared on pasture. Rennet is obtained mainly from the coagulation of raw milk, while natural acidity in the presence of serum natural graft added to keep rennet. Grilled cheese and packaged processed manually, not subjected to stewing and salted to diving brine. Maturity average is lipid proteolytic type. It is elastic dough, uniform pale yellow or hard cheese, bruisable yellow. It has a thin crust, it is smooth or loose. Piro Curtis head, 8-13 cm, weight 2.5 kg, is a cheese with a sweet taste slightly spicy.